Yo, what up YouTube? It's S aka Scott, coming to you live with a video. So I went to my LCS today, I busted 5 packs of Prestige. I got a Curry rookie. Let's see what else we got. Lawson rookie, that's number 999. This is showing the notables. I got a hit. Dewan Blair auto at a 699. The rest was just garbage. At least I got an auto out of the 5 packs. Got picked up supplies. Got to ship out a lot of stuff. Opened a bunch of Bowman boxes for people. Now I picked up a box of Ginter. Let's see if I can get my scissor. I have one box of the Bowman 0708. So if anyone wants it, I mean, I don't know. I might end up busting it. And there's there, so. I don't know. I picked this one up at my sports event already. If I don't hit a Strasburg, I'm gonna be really pissed. No ridiculously fat packs. I think this is the first year they had retail. Strasburg mini one time. Rookie on the top. Durango. I don't know what this is. He looks like Hanley. Tillman. Beltron. Again, I don't know what this is. Super Saurus, Monsters, Mini. I don't know what that is. There's 8 packs per box. We got a black border. I thought they were really hard to get on these. I don't know. It's a bad one. Eric Bedard, black border. Pretty sure it's pretty hard to get. We got a hit. We got a hit. There it is. Holy shit. Holy shit. Holy shit. Oh my god. Something Blaine. Look at that piece. David Blaine. Look at that piece. It's ridiculous. It's like the king or something. A piece of the card. David Blaine, he's a magician. I got a hit. Hits, I think relics are 1 in 30. And a Vern mini. I can't believe I got a hit. I did better. Oh my god. It's ridiculous. Now let's hit the Strasburg. Got a checklist. I don't know. Wara mini. Wow. I don't think there's any more. So weird. First crack the code. I thought it was something else. Soria. To share a rookie? What the hell is that? We got a Lords of Olympus. Eros mini. 3 packs left. Excuse me. Please be a Strasburg mini. Another black? I thought these were hard. It's my boy, Javier Vasquez. I thought they were. I don't know. I thought it was on the back of the box. I don't know. Whatever. I don't know. It's like bad if you're watching this one and you're all and I'll go buy one since I got like a sick one. I don't know, this is different. Sketch Mark Burley. I don't know if that means anything. I put a lot of those in the hobby box I bought. The Stag mini. Last pack. I thought it was. I saw like red. Got a nice mini of Jonathan Broxton. Alright, that's it. Thank you for watching. If you want the Blaine, let me know. Peace.